In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app icon in Base44. If you're customizing an app or polishing a project for clients or teammates, updating the app icon is a small change that can make a big difference. It helps your app look more professional and makes it easier to recognize at a glance. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through every step, from opening your app in Base44 to saving your new icon, so you can follow along even if you're completely new to the platform. First, go ahead and open your project or app in Base44. You'll want to be in the editor view for the specific app whose icon you want to change. If you work with multiple apps, double check that you've selected the right one so you don't accidentally update the wrong project. Once your app is open in the editor, look for the dashboard option. This is usually found in the main navigation area of the interface. Click on Dashboard to open the overview of your app. The dashboard is where you'll find high-level settings and information, and it's also where the app icon can be managed. On the dashboard or overview screen, locate the current app icon. If you haven't customized it before, it will likely show a default icon or placeholder image. Click directly on that default icon. This will open up the icon settings panel or a small pop-up where you can change the image. In the icon settings, you'll see an option that says something like drag and drop or click to upload. This is your upload area. If you already have your new icon prepared, you can simply drag the image file from your computer into this area. Alternatively, click on the upload area, then browse your computer and select the image you want to use as your new app icon. For best results, choose a clear square image with good resolution, since this icon may appear in different sizes across Base44. Avoid using very small, blurry, or oddly shaped images as they can look unprofessional once applied. After you've uploaded your new icon and you can see it displayed in the preview, the last step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the icon settings or on the page and click on it. This confirms the update and applies the new icon to your app. Once saved, your new app icon should now appear on your dashboard, and anywhere else Base44 displays your app's icon, giving your project a more polished and customized look.